So alright guys, it's Mr. Novel Online here again. So on today's video we are going to talk about how to trade cryptocurrency on Binance spot trading. Okay, Binance spot trading is one of the easiest methods of trading cryptocurrency on a safer way. Okay, it has lower liquidity. It doesn't have high liquidity like uh, margin trading and future trading. So because of that, it is quite safe. Once you have your target coin or token you want to purchase, it's just more like an exchange of cryptocurrency. So the liquidity determines on the number of persons involved on a particular pair or on a particular market or trade. Okay, so the liquidity determines on the number of persons or number of threads, open threads on a particular pair or market. So first of all, we are going to click on this profile icon above, okay, to turn on to a professional mode. I'm already on professional mode. So in case you are not on professional mode, for you to get your Binance interface like this, you must turn on this torso. Make sure it is on, okay, because after watching this video, you are going to become a professional on Binance spot trading. Okay, so you can exchange your coins at any time, and if you're having any challenge with any arbitrage opportunity on Binance, after watching this video you'll be able to trade your arbitrage opportunities on Binance. Okay, so we are going to go ahead to click on this trade icon below. So you can see this icon here, that trade icon. You are going to click on it. So when you click on it, you are going to get this interface. So as you can see on my screen here, we have TRS stroke BTC. Okay, so here if you have BTC and you want to buy TRS, okay, so you can use BTC to buy TRS on this pair. So by entering the number of TRS you want to purchase, let's say you want to buy 100 TRS, you have BTC and you want to use it to purchase TRS. Okay, so you enter the number of TRS and it will show you automatically the amount of BTC you are going to spend to get 100 TRS. So you can see the amount of BTC here. So you can see the amount of BTC here, and this is the amount of TRS, and this is the price. You can see the price. Okay, you can see the price. Like on this market, if I refresh, this price is going to show on this place. Okay, so this is the current price of this particular market. So those people on red are the people selling, and the people on green are the people buying. These are people that are engaged on this particular market. You can see people that are willing to buy at 0.0000263, okay, is 1.42 million in number. Okay, this is a lot of people. You know, Binance is the largest crypto wallet. Okay, Binance is the largest crypto wallet. So these are the number of persons that wants to buy at this 0.0000263, and 262, you can see 1.68 million persons are willing to buy at that price. So if you come to people that are willing to sell, you can see this person is willing to sell. These persons are willing to sell at 0.0264, which is 1.51 million persons are currently willing to sell at this particular price. So you can see it, and because of that, the current market price is on this 0.0264, because the major thing is the people that are willing to sell. These are the number one people, because for you to have any exchange on any market, even on physical market, first of all, it must be the person that is willing to sell. Okay, because without product you cannot trade, without product you cannot do any exchange on the marketplace. So why this marketplace is having this particular price at this time is because the people that are willing to sell at the lowest rate is willing to sell at that particular price, which is 0.0264. You can see it there. That's why we are having this thing as the current market price. Please, I don't want us to be mystified on this particular space, okay? So I don't want us to get it twisted or something like that, okay? So this price here is 0.0264. It's showing here as the current market price, because the people that are willing to sell at the cheapest rate are willing to sell at that particular price, okay? And because of that, if you want to buy at that particular price, it will be easy for you to buy, because you have seen the cheapest rate on the market, and you can see that people are willing to sell at that rate, okay? So if you want to sell, maybe you have TRS, because you are selling the left side to the right side, then you are buying using the right side, you are using it to buy the left side. Here, like I said, you are using BTC to buy TRS, and you are selling TRS to BTC. So if you have TRS, you can sell it to BTC by clicking on this cell. You can see it by clicking on this cell. And if you have BTC but you want to buy TRS, you can click on buy, okay? You can click on buy. So I've already explained buy to you, so we are going to click on sell. I'm going to click on sell right now. So let's say we have 100 TRS, or we want to sell 100 TRS, okay? So you can see the amount of BTC we are going to receive. You can see it here. You can see the amount of BTC we are going to receive if we are selling 100 TRS at this particular market price, okay? At this particular market price. So if I have any coin here and I open a trade, it is going to be a pending order, meaning it is not going to execute immediately. Reasons because you can see type of market here. We are using limit. You can see it. We are using limit. You can see where I clicked. We are using limit. Okay. Let me show you, please, so you don't get it twisted. So you click on that particular place. We are using limit, and because of that, if you click on buy or sell of any token here, it is going to be on a pending order, waiting for this particular price you used to open the trade to reach. If the market price have not gotten to this particular price, your order will not be executed. It will be pending. And because this is the current market price, it is still going to be pending unless the market moves out of this particular price and come back to that particular price. Okay? Do you understand? So the best way is not using this particular price. The best way is, if you want to buy, let's say you want to buy, let us remove this. Let's say if you want to buy, you can see people that are willing to sell there. Let's say we want to buy at this second persons here. Want to use this second persons here. You can see the second person here. We click on it. You have seen this market price have changed to that second price there. Okay. It's not everybody that is going to teach you this on spot trading, but I'm trying to teach you the things that will help you to execute your market very fast. Remember, we are using limit order to make our order pending, so that whenever the price of the market reach this 0.0265, our market will execute. Let's say we are using BTC to buy TRS here. So we are buying at this particular price right now. So when we open this order, let's say we are buying 100 USDT. Whenever 1 TRS is equal to 0.0265, which is the price on the market, we are going to buy 100 TRS using this amount of BTC. And remember, like I said, you must have that coin, that BTC, before you can use it to buy TRS, or you can have TRS before you can sell it to BTC. So that is it. So let's say we are going to, if we open this market now, it is going to be on a pending order because we are using limit order. You can see types of market here, and we are using limit. Okay, and the purpose of this limit, why this limit is very important, is that you can use the limit to get profit on the market, unless maybe you don't care about the profit, you just want to buy that coin immediately. You don't want it to be pending, you just want to buy it immediately to use it for something, or to use it to trade somewhere else. Then you click on that place, then you select market. Market is going to execute that trade immediately at a market rate. So you don't have any choice at this point. If you select market, you don't have any choice at this. You don't have any choice, okay, at this point. So wherever you enter here, let's say you want to buy TRS. You can see, you will not see any option of entering the amount of TRS you want to buy. You can only say, I want to buy TRS worth of 0.0008 BTC. Do you understand? 0 BTC. So once you click on buy TRS, it is going to execute to buy TRS instantly on the market rate. Remember, this market rate might not be this one you are seeing here, on the choice of market rates, because the price is fluctuating. So it might not actually be this particular one you are seeing here, this 0.0264. It might be on a different market price, but somewhere close to this 0.00264. It's going to be close to that current market price. So it will execute automatically for you immediately. Then you get TRS worth this 0.0008 BTC instantly. Okay, as you can see, it is not going to show you the amount of TRS you are going to get, but actually on a favorable price, or a price closer to this 264, okay, you're going to get your TRS instantly. But once you change to limit, it simply means you have a choice. You have a choice to say, I want to buy at this particular price. I want to buy at this particular price. So we want to buy 1000 TRS. You can change the price. You can say, when price reaches 165, sorry, 0.0265, you can see it, I want to buy 1000 USDT, 1000 TRS. Okay, so you can see the amount of BTC you are going to spend to do that. I see it here. Okay, you can see it. You're going to spend this amount of BTC to buy TRS, 1000 TRS at this particular price. So you can still change the price and say, no, I want to buy whenever the price comes down to 263. So shifting this thing determines on when your market is going to execute. So if you think this market price is going to come down to this 263 in few minutes time, or in an hour time, then good for you. That means you are buying at a cheaper price. That's how it works. You are buying at a cheaper price. And when you want to sell, you have a choice. Using that limit order also, you can still change to market order if you want it to execute immediately. But if you leave it on limit order, you still have a choice of saying, since you are selling right now, you can see we have changed it to sell. Since you want to sell your 1000 TRS right now, okay, so if you want to select this price, or you want to change it, so you're going to change it using any of this price below. All this thing I'm showing you now will help you to execute market fast. Okay, it will help you to execute market fast, because if you just type in anything, the market might be pending for a very long time and it will not execute. So it's better you choose something under this green button. Since you are selling to buyers. Remember, I say green people are buyers. So because you want to sell now, you are selling to green people, which is buyers. Okay, so you can say you want to sell on when the price reaches this 259, sorry, when the price reaches this 263, you want to sell. Okay, or you can say, since you want to sell on profit, you can say when the price reaches 270, 0.000270. So you can do it that way by changing this price here. Okay, so once you open this trade, it is going to be pending, but you must have TRS up to this 1000 here, or you can change it if you don't have up to, let's say, 100 or any amount. Okay, so you can sell it any amount. So that is how it works. So if you want to change, this pair here, okay, this particular pair here, maybe you want to trade another pair, so you can click on that particular place. Let's click on it. Okay, it will open up a market option. Okay, so you can choose anything here, or you type it for it to come out. So let's say we want to trade BTC stroke USDT. Sorry, the net